Hi, I'm Aaron here at BMW Northwest. Today I want to talk about BMW Assist, which comes on all new BMWs. Specifically, we're going to talk about the SOS button that's up in the headliner. You can contact BMW Assist for customer support, roadside, and accident assistance. To initiate the call, open the protective cover and then press the orange SOS button. You can see on the screen when a call has been initiated, and BMW will come through the speakers to assist you. If you're in an accident and your airbags deploy, the call will automatically be initiated and BMW can GPS your location to have emergency services get to you, all the while staying on the phone with you until help arrives. If you'd like more tech tips, hit the like button down below or contact us here at BMW Northwest.